Hello, welcome back to Mark's Garden UK. I'm Mark, and this is my most recent purchase. I went to a garden centre at the weekend and they were selling off asparagus crowns, and they were reduced from £3.99 to 50p. Now you're supposed to plant these either in the autumn or the spring. We're just at the end of spring, really, heading into summer. But for 50p a crown, what have you got to lose? So those, and there are 5 of them, 2 different varieties, are going in this very large Vegega metal raised bed. So that's my next project. But whilst we're here, let me show you how I'm filling this U-shaped Vegega metal raised bed. I've got my grass shears here. I've just dug up a load of weeds from a corner of the garden that I'm about to clear from a small goldfish pond. And I've put them in here. And I'm just cutting them up a little bit. The idea being is the more damage they've got, the sooner they'll start to decay. So I'm just cutting into them. I'm not going to spend a lot of time doing this, but by breaking into the flesh of these nitrogen rich green plants, I'm doing some damage, and that will help to start the decay process. Now, decay in this context is actually life. Next thing I'm going to do is water it, and it might seem strange to be watering a lot of dead weeds, but there's a deliberate reason for doing this. Life and decay also needs water to start, so I'm just giving that a little bit of a soaking before I add some cardboard. I'm adding some cardboard because on top of this is going to be placed the soil that I'm going to plant into. And this cardboard just provides a barrier between those weeds and the soil above where I'll be planting my vegetable patch, my vegetable seeds. So that's what I'm doing there. And that's part of the process of filling these Vegega raised beds. They're quite large and it takes quite a lot of volume, so any organic waste you can get in the bottom below a layer of cardboard like this will save you a lot of money in compost. So subscribe, hit the notifications bell, and watch me very soon plant up my new asparagus bed in this large metal raised bed. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.